Hello, it's Emma Jo here from Lavinia Stamps, and today in this video I am going to be showing you how to make our little festive robin tag. It's rather fun. Oh, that's better, you can see it now. It's rather fun. He's got a lot of gold embossing on there. Let's get rid of my face, that's better. A lot of gold embossing there. We're using a stencil and we've got the little robin there and a, what do you call him? Seasonal word. That's what I'm going with. Seasonal word stickers. I will put the links in the bottom of this post, so if I get the words wrong, the right ones will be down there. Anyway, my friends, enough chat from me. Let's go see how this is done. Okay, so I've got a small watercolour card tag, some Elements Ink Emperor Red, and I've gone for a size 9 stencil brush. And I've just put a lot of colour on the bottom left hand side, and I'm spraying with Mystical Mica Spray Purple Orchid. Doesn't that look regal? And a little bit of Mystical Mica Golden Temple. And then I'm just going to get my heat tool and tip. Tip and dry. I have cut a fair bit out because I don't think you really needed to see me do that. It would be like watching, wait for it, paint dry. Sorry. It's the time for corny jokes, isn't it? Anyway, that's done. Let's move on to the stencil. Now for this, we're going to be using Laurel. I rather like Laurel. So, get it into position, get it where you're happiest, get some Versamark, and just stamp on top of it. Well, not stamp on top of it, but take your pad and just go where you would like it to sit. And that's what I'm doing. Because once I take it away, you can see a little bit of a pattern catching the light in the film. But now we pop it on a piece of paper and get some Wow embossing powder. And I've gone for the metallic gold rich because I want a golden sheen. And look at that. Again, just a little bit of touching up with that brush. Now that's from the watercolour brush set number 2. And if you think you've missed something, scoop some up and go over it again. And here we go. I'm just heating up that embossing powder with my heat tool. And I love this. Can you see? Actually on this, you can see it changing. I love it. It's just magic. Suddenly it just takes on a completely different life. Try not to burn your fingers. I think that's what's going on here, is Emma Jo is trying not to have fried fingers. So now we're going on to Posca accents. So crack open the Posca pens. We're going in. Aqua green, what a surprise. So we've got that aqua green pen, and I'm just using that stencil as a way of a guide, if you like. So I'm going around the outside of some leaves. I might colour some of them in, but this is what we're doing with the aqua green at the moment. Just going around the outside of them. Not all of them, because it's accents. It's not take over the world. Yeah. And I love that colour, the way it's making that purple orchid pop. And the red beneath it. Rather lovely, I think. And there's something quite regal and decadent about it. Lovely. Now, dots are good, obviously. I've decided dots are good. So I've gone back in with my aqua green, and on top of some of the embossing powder, I'm dotting. In fact, I'm dotting everywhere because, as I said, dots are good. Think of them as berries. Now we can add Robin. He's been waiting in the wings. So I've stamped him up. He's from the bird collection of stamps. And I've used VersaFine Clair Nocturne. Popped him on an acrylic board and I'm just stamping him up there and giving him a red breast using a red Posca pen. I'm a bit concerned about him just hovering in midair though. So we're going round those dots now with the red pen, red Posca pen. And so we're going to add some finishing touches now. So that's from the sentiment stickers, not seasonal words, set 2. And I've just popped Robin in the bottom right hand corner. Little bit of Stickles gold as well, just to give us a bit of shimmer. Because you can never have too much bling at Christmas, can you? There we go. I was so pleased I've done that. Now Robin has somewhere to stand. And with that, my lovely friends, you've done it! Hurrah! A goldeny robiny tag. Well, do you know what? That was great fun. That was completely different for me. And I really enjoyed it. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. And of course there is teal on there as well. Oh no, it's not. Aqua green Posca, sorry. So it's just everything. Embossing, stencils, stamping, seasonal words, little bit of glitter. What else do you need? What else do you need in a festive tag? I hope you've enjoyed yourself. Thank you very much for coming along and having a go with me. If you've got any comments you'd like to make about this craft, please pop them in the post below and I will do my best to get back in touch with you as soon as I possibly can. But in the meantime, happy crafting. See you again soon. Bye.